Melt some solid octadecan 1-ol in a boiling tube using a beaker of hot water. Suspend a temperature sensor in the middle of the melted octadecan 1-ol. Wait until the liquid solidifies completely. Immerse the boiling tube into a water bath at 75 degrees Celsius. Run the data logging program. Stop data recording when the octadecan 1-ol rises to about 65 degrees Celsius. The temperature time graph obtained is the heating curve of octadecan 1-ol. Does the temperature of the octadecan 1-ol rise all the time throughout the experiment?